Hi there, chickadee. Welcome to today's diary entry. I'm Valerie. Today I wanted to bring you an unboxing of the HelloBabyBOX by BeautyBox, which I've got right here. I have not opened it. I've just literally cut the seal, so I have no idea what's exactly in here. I'm not sure if they're all the same, if they're all created equal, or if there are some of them that are different. So without further ado, let's get on with this unboxing, shall we? So first off, let's talk a little bit about BABYLIST. So this is not sponsored, by the way, in any way, shape, or form. I paid for this box. So let's talk a little bit about that, because most registries that you get a box from, it's typically free. This one, however, I did have to pay $10 for. So the way it works is you have to download BABYLIST and put in your registry 3 items from their actual BABYLIST shop, and then 3 from anywhere. It could be Target, Nordstrom, Amazon, you name it. So once you add them, then you qualify to get this free box. Free. I quote free because you have to pay $10 for shipping. It used to be $5, now they raised it to $10. That's a whole nother story. Anyway, so I paid the $10 and I just got my box, which I have not yet opened. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this baby up. So once you open it up, it says Hello Baby from BABYLIST, and then all the stuff is right here in this tissue paper, which I'm going to break open and get on with this unboxing. So to my understanding, it does bring quite a lot of stuff. So right from the get-go, it's got a lot of things in here. So we've got some Huggies. I think you have a couple in here of Huggies diapers, which is, you know, that's actually pretty nice. You've got a Must Have Made Better. What's this? Oh, that's really cute. And then it brings a coupon for 25% off Skip Hop, which is the makers of this guy, which is like a teether actually. That's pretty neat. And then we have a Kiko. Actually, that's so funny. I got the same binky when I went to the Prego Expo. It looks like that. We've got a bottle in here from Boone. It says less air, more good. It kind of has like that silicone feeling, like the Como Tomo bottles. It's like squishy on the inside and then the outside is plastic. But it's got a good nipple. Looks like that. Huh. I'll definitely be trying this with baby. And then in here we have some things from Nano Bebe. And there's a binky in here too. Another one. I love these little binkies. Oh, they're so adorable. And I believe this is a formula. Yep. So we got some formula zippy bags in there as well. And then Venflo gave us a binky as well. Looks like this. Sorry about the glare. Let me open it up. Oh, it's super cute. So it's just clear, but it looks like that. All right. And then yet another Lansna samples. We got 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. Target gave me another one of these too, and I think Bye Bye Baby gave me one as well. And then here from Pampers, we've got some diapers. We've got a couple diapers in here. These are the Pure Unbeatable Skincare and Dryness. And these are a size 1. They look like that. Is this a changing pad? I don't know what this is. So it looks like this. I'm gonna open it up and see what we have in here. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a changing pad. I could be wrong. Oh, it is a changing pad, but they put things in here. Ah, cute. So we've got a Draft Stage 1 Newborn sample, which is kind of big. That's cool. And then we have some coupons in here. So very neat. Coupons and coupons. I'll take coupons. Definitely will be using tons of those. And then we've got some Pampers wipes. These are the sensitive kind. We gotta sample that. And yet another diaper. I'm not sure. I think this one's, I don't think this is a newborn one, but we've got yet another baby diaper. And this is the changing pad, which is actually, it feels like it's very well made. So that's actually neat. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. You fold it like that. So really cute. I love the color. Let me put it right over there. Okay, a few more things. We've got some water wipes. Oh, I love when I get these because these are definitely the ones I'm going to be using with baby. So every time I get samples of these, I am super excited. I'm definitely collecting them. So it brings 10 and it doesn't have the coupon on the back like the Target one, but that's okay. I am so excited to get these. And then we have an Event Flow Balance bottle here, which is just a plastic one. I don't think there's anything different. I think I've gotten another one of these in another, I can't remember where. So this is yummy. I don't know what it is. Let's open it up. Is this a gift card? A special gift for you. $35 for HelloYummy.com. I'm not sure what this is, if this is like a food service, so you can order baby food or something like that, is what I'm assuming. But I get $35. I got a $35 gift card in here. And then from Pipette, I think that's how you say it, baby lotion. Ooh, is it open? Oh, it's sealed. I was gonna smell it. I smell everything. It looks like this. And then from Baby Bum, we have natural fragrance moisturizing lotion. It looks like that. Smell it? Nope. I cannot smell it because it's sealed. And then they sent us this, these cards right here. And I think these are basically just to put in your registry. If you were to tell people that you're registered with BABYLIST, it just says, psst, you'll find the registry at babylist.com. And then on the other side it says, babies need lots of love and a few things too. So this is what they look like. This is the front and the back, if you can see that. Now all that's left here is some coupons, I think. I'm gonna grab those and show you what they are. Okay, so first we have a 20% off coupon code from Pipette, lanolin cream. So they gave us a lanolin cream sample right here. I'm assuming this is for if you were to get any dryness or cracking around your nipple area from breastfeeding, this is what you'd use. This is a $25 gift for you from T. I'm not sure what this is, but T gave us a $25 gift card. And then last thing is Solly Baby. $10 off your minimum purchase of $50 until May 1st of 2020. And that's like these guys right here. So you can have your baby without having to like carry them or hold them. So yeah, that is all for my BABYLIST unboxing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed. There were some gems in here. Honestly, I did not expect this Pampers changing pad. I think it's actually really cool. I love the color and it looks like it's really well made, I'm not gonna lie. So, and it feels super soft too, like squishy, not totally flat. Oops, there go my coupons. So, anywho, I really was surprised with this one. If there's anything in this box that surprised me that I don't think I've seen anybody else have in their box is this guy. So, I'm impressed. I really like this guy. I think I'm gonna get quite a lot of use out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. I wanted to give you an updated BABYLIST unboxing because I've seen plenty of these, but they're mostly old. So I got this in November of 2019 for reference. So it is the latest, basically, box that they have. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope to catch you on my next diary entry. Un besote. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining